Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please do hit the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the great notification bell so that you never miss any of our wonderful recipes. So today guys, we are doing the most wonderful thing, Korean style corn dogs. These were so good. The possibilities were endless with this. I'm going to put a link in the description below if you guys want to try out the recipe, but let's go ahead and get started. Do enjoy. If the dough appears to be a little dry, add water because this is you really want this dough sticky to be able to wrap around the dog. So at this point, I noticed that my dough didn't have the stretch the normal dough should, and that I believe that had something to do with me working it. I added a little more water and it worked out just fine. Let me just take a minute to tell you guys how hard it was to get the dough around the sausage or the hot dog. It was so hard. Please hear me when I say it was delicious, but it was hard. You have to have some kind of technique to do this. I do know that. So that's what I want to tell you guys. Is this is no walk in the park. Hey y'all, we are back again with another video. We did what we did today, which we did last night. So we tried it before we came here, and we had a better success rate with the Korean dogs. Listen, Korean corn dogs, they are so good. So much so that I felt comfortable with coming back again another day. And I'm gonna tell you, listen, this is hard. And I cussed all the same. I mean, I'm telling you what, I was cussing last night because the dough, listen, these are good. You can try them at home if you're up for the challenge. But let me tell you something.
It's not no easy task.
It is not.
You think of making a homemade corn dog.
You just dip it in the cornmeal.
You just dip it and pow into the oil.
Lies.
No, these aren't. This
ain't that.
From that.
Yeah, this is.
For number one, it's not a cornbread dough or batter.
It's not even. It's a corn dog.
It's a corn dog, but it's.
Look, I love the sugar-coated one, so I'm going to set that one to the side because I'm probably going to eat them all. We got some chicken strips, too, and the leftover potatoes. Oh, wow. The leftover potatoes that we had from the corn dogs here. You want me to scoot over? Okay.
There you go.
I'm hungry. Is that Remington? Mr. Remington.
Yeah, there you go.
All right. I'm hungry. It's 9 o'clock Central Standard Time, y'all. Yeah, I wish you would have changed the battery in that, but...
That's a brand new battery. I just charged it. I knew he was going to be doing something today, so... I both the batteries.
Okay.
So... Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready. I'm going to try the one with the potatoes on.
Because we didn't try it last night. I'm going to eat these fries.
A little ketchup on it. If y'all like me.
I don't like mustard, so.
I like mustard on mine.
You know, look at my little scarf falling off, y'all. I had enough of the day, let me tell you. So, anybody play Just Dance? We got the older version. Yeah, you gonna show them? Here, I can show them a little better. Let me see. You gotta pull back kind of far.
Good.
And you got the camera pulled back too far.
Okay.
Well, can you pull it out? Look at these men, girl. Like we ain't said nothing to their asses.
I'll be right back.
Shit. Bro, I stand up in here and cook every day. Shit, he better bring that camera to me. So, what is that? Another? These are soggy and good.
We like it that way.
Not soft and flat. Anyhow.
Alright, I'm back.
I'm here for it. I'm hungry. Oh, God. Oh. I was asking you guys if you ever watched that show Just Dance. Or no, if you ever played the game Just Dance. Listen. It is so hard to stay on count with everything. Thank you. There's a song of the 2020 game, Informer, from back in the Informer. Okay.
Well, it's similar
new
to
version.
it.
It's
like
the
the
same
new
version, except it's in Spanish. And let me tell you, It's good. And let me tell you guys, I couldn't even do it. You know what he had to turn on for me? Baby Shark.
Do, y'all know it.
And when I tell you I'm a Baby Shark, like I couldn't barely keep up with that. And they were moving slow. I was like, oh my God. Well, I'm definitely going to try it again. But it's really hard. When you eating your chicken or anything like that, do you eat, even with your corn dogs, you guys do that? You save the best thing for last? Like the best part of something. So this is like my best chicken right now. Let me see. No, this one. No, this one. I'ma save them. Okay. I know, you missing out. You better go and snatch them the last 2 fries up. Ooh. So I know I haven't been doing videos as frequently. We have had. You look like your head though. It's photoshopped again.
What do you mean? Photoshop.
You remember that one video? Your head, your shoulder, like I don't know. I'm like, it's photoshopped again. But I'll show him your brown dog. Look what he did.
She said I burned that.
He burnt that shit. Give it here. Look, y'all.
It's a little burnt, but it's still edible.
That shit is burnt.
I will eat that.
Yes, he will, because I will not.
Dip it in
I don't eat broke food. I hate broke food. I don't eat sausage links or anything in a link. So for me, this is cool because the bread makes it easier for me to like. But yeah, he burnt them shits. That's why they on his side. So, as I was saying, look at me. Oh my God. Now, we haven't been doing shows as frequent. You should probably spread it down the dog. Look at his eating annoys the shit out of me. And he's too close. But whatever. All right, man, chicken, sure. Because a lot's been going on. I haven't really been in the mood to film because I've been going through, how it is when you turn 30. Okay. So, just been going through some stuff and we've been trying to work through that and Ooh, no. God. But I've been trying to work through that. And also, I'm wanting to rebrand my channel. Our channel. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is. I'm just going to come back. So, if you get a video every week or every 2 weeks, something like that, don't fret. I'm posting again. I don't want to talk too much. I'm hungry. Just want to hope you guys' week's going good. This last weekend, the weekend. We're about to go on to another week. Another day, another dollar.
Yep.
Y'all use Country Bob's? That's it right there. I don't mess around with ketchup like that. And we have puppies. Brand new. 3-4 days old. Brand new.
It's good.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
What?
Wow, no, I'm moving some space so you can chomp freely. I can't stand the sound. What is this? Is good. Dude, that's nice. Look, I got the nice one. I'll tell you what. The smaller you cut them, they stick better. And plus,
I thought they might have.
Plus, our dough was stupid last night.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what happened. It tasted good, but it just didn't.
What about it? You taste that yeast?
It's a little unconventional for a corn dog.
It is too much, actually. Let's be clear. It's a struggle. What in the holy hell?
What'd you do?
I don't know, but I'm tired of feeling the way I feel inside. My throat's always scratchy. That is good. I can eat that with no dipping at all.
It's kind of like having a corn dog with French fries.
I don't know if it's corn dog. It's dough.
It's not. That's why I say it's not really like a corn dog, because your typical corn dog is the dough's made with cornmeal. This is just like
It's so good.
it's like a bread dog.
Bread dog.
A bread dog. I mean,
We use Hebrew National hot dogs. Last night when we did it with
smoked sausage.
yeah. That was a little heavy for me because of the grease. From the smoked sausage, we grilled them first. Well, what happened? You hear them?
That sounds like one.
Listen, it is. Whole bunch of fussing. And they're still hot. I'm back off. For some reason, ketchup be tearing my mouth up. Pineapples, tomato, anything at this point. This is so good. Want to feed that dog?
Probably what she's in there doing.
Drop a titty on his face on that Halloween. These are good. I'll put the link in the description box below for how I made these. These are just delicious. Totally different from last night. Like the yeast made a difference. Active dry yeast, Fleischmann's, that's what we used. I used a whole pack to a cup of milk. That might make a difference too.
Yeah.
It also made it a little heavier, the milk, I think.
Yeah, because last night we just used water.
Yeah. We're trying experimentive. God.
What?
I hate the way he eats stuff. Like, he uses more condiments up the way he eats it. He even does it with his steaks. Anything, a pork chop, he squirts every little bit, every single bite. And God damn it, everything he does
I'm not
is
really
annoying.
a dipper.
Well, you need to dip because you burning up money.
That was empty anyway.
Well, it needed to be. Yeah, it's nasty. Listen, I'm agitated. Y'all get like this, I'm unlivable.
You know what?
Unlivable.
Unlivable.
All you want to do is go to sleep and be like, bitch, wake up tomorrow. For real. I'm the type that you gotta separate from. When it's late like this and I'm hungry and pushy and fussy and bossy and I don't give a damn. Mark,
What?
make your dog feed her.
I don't think I've ever heard him squeak like that.
He didn't. He screamed. Or she. I'm full. I didn't even. Oh my God. I'm gonna make you a salad in the morning. Take to work. Now you can eat that with or without. Whether it's cold or not. Godly. Get some dentures. I'm tired of this shit. You ain't got no teeth in the back, so I'm telling y'all, everything is extra. And he's like right on top of me, but for some reason, I don't know. I think he's trying to lean into the camera. Something, I don't give a damn. Shit, I'm gonna have to clip some shit.
Blooper time.
Blue pale. Bloop upside the head. We've been together for a long time. 9 years. Just celebrated 9 years. Been married for 7.
Yep.
Last month, April 26th. Tell you, longest in 9 years of my life.
But the best.
Baby, shut it. I love you.
Oh,
Lies. Lies. I'm full. You full? Oh no. Listen, y'all. Love to stay in chat. It's been real. It's been fun. But it ain't been real fun. That's what my brother be saying. Sellers. Ain't been fun. It's been real. It's been real fun. It hasn't either. And I knew we had to do this video because we had not posted nothing.
yeah. It's been a while.
Yeah. So hopefully tomorrow I'm going to wake up and want to do the other video. If I don't, catch me on the slide. Catch me on TikTok. Eating good with Mark and Mel until I change the name. I'll let you know. That is good to eat.
Yeah.
You made it the same. I don't think you get the same texture without the yeast.
Yeah.
Or flavor. That's not I use yeast, but I use a different kind of brand of yeast. Listen, you. We have missed you guys. Unfortunately, I must check out. If he doesn't, you can stay and talk to him. But I'm getting off of here so I can turn on the TV and watch the first 48 and get ready for bed and finish my little beer because I'm done. This is a struggle. I have another one.
Yeah. Well,
Well, take us out of here, man. Mark. Man, Mark.
it's been so long.
Well, no, you don't.
I
Listen,
do.
y'all.
I
Bye.
do.
Bye. Bye. Okay? Bye. There. No more intro, just bye.
Just bye.
That's what I got for him. What you got? Bye. That's it. That's all I got. What you got? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video. We're always happy to come to you when we can. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great night. Shit. Okay, you ready?
I'm ready.
My scarf coming off and shit. I don't even care. I'm about to do this. Okay, you want sugar on anything? Cause this is my shit right here.
You want some ketchup? No.
No, not right now. I don't think. Lover, hey mother lover. No, just playing. Do you want some sugar?
No.
On your ugly ones?
Okay.
Are you sure? Because you got 3 right there. Okay.